Brand new FLOCKSHOW right there. Blackwater Lake, a.k.a. Bon Jovi. I'm sorry, but that was amazeballs. You know, you've got those certain ones that sound just like others. And I'm not saying that they are any better. I'm just saying there's just those people that have got that knack of sounding like them. Now, it's hard to sound just like somebody else. That's a total compliment. Some people are like, I don't want to sound just like somebody. Well, you know what? There aren't anybody that I know of that can sound like John Bon Jovi. And he slayed it. So there you go, people. Welcome, guys, to the SongBird's FLOCKSHOW special mixtape edition. It's one of those nights, and I just feel like being crazy and giving you a mixtape. Now, all of this is brand new music that I have in my library nest, and I'm just so happy. And I just am now. I also have some Josie Nom Noms sprinkled in here tonight, but I have so much brand new music that I don't have as many Nom Noms, but I do have a Nom Nom coming up right after this song, and hopefully he is still lingering around and bimbling about in the chirp chat, that he will be able to hear himself being spun. But right now, I have a brand new vlog star. Her name is Maria DeBolt, and she is from Indiana. Great, great, great pop song. You guys know how I love this pop stuff. Pop, pop. It's just a fun song, and it's a fun song. I'm sorry. The song's called Meant to Be. Find her on Facebook, The World Wide Web, and Reverb Nation. Everybody give a warm welcome to Miss Maria.
Turn up the music, trying to forget the sound of your voice that spins in my head. Trying my best to move along, but you keep on playing like a song, over and over, straight from the top. You stole my heart, now I'm tied up in knots, taking that chance by holding on. 'Cause where do I go when this is gone? But if this is only make believe, I just need to open up my eyes. Wonder why my heart won't let me see that I'm wasting my time. While I'm thinking about you, are you thinking about me? Always thinking about you. Yeah, I'm living the dream when you and I are meant to be. Don't try to tell me that this isn't real. I swear that I'm falling, can't help what I feel. I still see you standing by my side, a picture of you inside my mind. Why do I keep it? Why won't it fade? I'm losing my focus by losing my way. There's just one thing I can't deny. It's beautiful living in the light. But if this is only make believe, I just need to open up my eyes. Wonder why my heart won't let me see that I'm wasting my time. While I'm thinking about you, are you thinking about me? Always thinking about you. Yeah, I'm living the dream when you and I are meant to be. You and I are meant to be. But if this is only make believe, I just need to open up my eyes. Wonder why my heart won't let me see that I'm wasting my time. Wasting my time. While I'm thinking about you, are you thinking about me? Always thinking about you. Yeah, I'm living the dream when you and I are meant to be.
I just want to get up and dance, like do twirls all up and down my street along with that song. Love it. Maria DeBolt right there. brand new flock star. Now, this guy and this band right now, Enabling Kane, is up for Josie Nom Nom coming up in September, Dollywood. And I am so excited because this year I am going to finally meet these guys in person. And my mission this year is to get every single flock star in with a selfie with me. And my plan is to come back to the Bayou, print every single one of these pictures out. Yes, I'm going to print these out and actually make a photo. Yes, remember those? Those are like photographs. I'm going to print them out in an 8x10, and I'm going to put them on my wall right here in my tiny closet studio, and it is going to be my humongous wallpaper, I guess is what you're going to call it. But that is going to be my sound booth, so I cannot wait. So that is my mission. So all of you flock stars out there that are Josie Nom Noms, if you are listening and you see me, you can't miss me because I'm going to be quite loud. And I'm going to be hanging out with Miss Anne-Marie Paserno. She was my guest in the nest last night, and not last night, today. Well, last night, we tried last night, didn't we? It was so much fun. I love technology. Actually, I hate love. It's a love-hate relationship. We tried to do it, and it didn't happen. Why is that? It's like Murphy's Law, isn't it? You get so ready, you're so ready, and you're so ready, and then you get ready, and you're there, you're sitting right in front of it. It's all set, because you know you're ready. You practiced. You played with that. You plug in, and it's like laughing at you. Yeah. Exactly. So anyway, back to the Josies. So Enabling Kane right here is a brand new hatchling. And oh my God. So they have this video on Facebook. And I have two little nuggets and they're both boys. And so I'm such a boy mom. Okay. I love boys. I'm not a tomboy, but I kind of am. So you're always going to see me in a tutu and combat boots. Okay. I'm like, boom. I've got the shaved hair underneath, but then I've got like the long on top. So whatever. I'm out there. I grew up and I played with G.I. Joes and Barbies, and they were beating each other up, okay? So I'm there. And I play, what is that? I can't even think of it right now because I'm freaking out because I love this song. But anyway, so their video, hello. Their video on Facebook is with this song, and it's a video game. And I'm like, no way. This is so cool. So I show my oldest because he loves playing Call of Duty and all this kind of stuff. And he's like, oh my God, that's like the coolest song. That sounds like a song of the song. And I'm like, I know. I'm going to shut up because this is such an amazing song. Troy, you slayed it, dude. I love this. It's called Tyrant. I mean, come on. You guys judge for yourself. Make sure you're following all these peeps on Facebook. You'll see me on my Facebook page. Just follow them. It's not hard. It takes you like half a second. Tell them the SongBird sent you. And this one, just envision like you've got those little things on your eyes and you're doing virtual reality. It's so cool. Oh my God.
Let this be the spark to fuel the fire from the depths of our oppression. To spark the light that calls to our souls. The light that calls us home. They cast their shadows and rule from beyond. Today we say no more. Today we make a stand.
Join the songbird for the coziest place in cyberspace. Flock. Be a guest in the nest and shoot the bird an email at songbirdindieradio@gmail.com. Flock Talk airs on Flock and Fridays on Spreaker.com at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, right here on Songbird Indie Radio.
Right off the bat, I knew I loved you. You had that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence.